Hi, we all know that text-based slides like these are boring and ineffective. If you want your message to be understood and remembered by your audience, you need to convert these kind of text-based slides into clear and simple visual slides like this. PowerPoint helps you create such beautiful visual slides quickly and easily with the SmartArt option. However, the SmartArt tool comes with its own set of limitations. And these limitations can cause you a lot of frustration when you create your business slides. In this useful course called SmartArt Mastery Course, I'll show you how to master SmartArt by understanding the tool thoroughly. I will show you how to overcome the inherent limitations of the tool with creative workarounds. By the time you finish this course, you will fall in love with SmartArt and you would be able to convert your boring text-based slides into clear and memorable visual slides using SmartArt. The 7 segments in this course are as shown here. These are the titles of the 7 segments and these are the number of videos there are in each of these segments. In all, there are 19 videos that teach you all there is to know about SmartArt. Let us explore each of the segments in detail. In the first segment, you will learn the basics of SmartArt. Here you will learn things like how do you insert a SmartArt graphic onto your slide, how to add or delete elements once you choose your SmartArt graphic, and how do you add text to your SmartArt graphic, etc. I will also show you how to create organization chart in SmartArt so you get comfortable with the various tools and functionalities of SmartArt. In the next segment, you will learn how to choose the right SmartArt graphic. In fact, this is the core essence of this program. Unfortunately, most business presenters have no clue about the power of SmartArt. They use SmartArt to decorate their bullet point slides like this. It is such a waste of a powerful visual tool. I don't blame them because the number of graphic options available under SmartArt are too many, as you can see here, and there is no clear guidance as to which kind of SmartArt needs to be used for which purpose. So naturally, the presenters get confused and end up using a few and inappropriate options available in the SmartArt graphic tool. In this segment, I give you a simple flowchart to help you choose the right SmartArt graphic to convert your text-based slides into meaningful visual slides. This framework alone will change the way you create your business slides forever. Once you learn how to choose the right SmartArt graphic, it is time to learn how to customize that SmartArt graphic to suit your specific needs. Here you will learn things like how to change shapes of your SmartArt graphic, how to change their size, how to add bevels, how to combine different SmartArt graphics, how to fill shapes with pictures and things of that nature that take your SmartArt graphic to a whole new level. Once you go through this section, your SmartArt graphic won't look boring and cliched like this. It can look like this or even look like this with 3D effects. Your picture plus text layout can look like this. In fact, we will take the customization to a whole new level. We take a simple stacked Venn graphic in SmartArt and create a target diagram out of it. We will apply a 3D effect to the same graphic to make it look like this. We will add a 3D rotation effect to the same graphic and create a ripple effect graphic like this. We will use distance from ground option to create circular pyramid graphic like this. By the time you're through with the customization, your audience won't even recognize the origin of your graphic. In fact, all through the course, even beyond the SmartArt Mastery section, I keep showing you countless examples of how to create fairly advanced graphics by starting with a basic SmartArt graphic. No other course, book, or workshop teaches you such creative ways to customize your SmartArt graphics. In the next segment, I'll show you how to animate your SmartArt in a professional way. The things that I teach you in this segment will help you tell powerful visual stories with proper sequencing of elements so your SmartArt goes to the next level. In the next module, you will learn some creative uses of SmartArt. You will learn how to use SmartArt as a picture editor, as a graphics builder, and as Shapes Vault. To give you a taste of what you will learn in this module, you will learn how to use SmartArt as a picture editor so you can resize a large number of photos in one go to get that consistent look and feel for your slides. I'll also show you how to pick elements from a SmartArt graphic to create your own graphics. For example, you can take the 4 quadrants from this basic SmartArt graphic to create an awesome 3D diagram like this. You can pick the circular arrows from this basic SmartArt graphic to create a stylish looking circular arrow graphic like this. In fact, you can extract useful graphic elements like gears, curved arrows, etc. from simple SmartArt graphics and apply any effect you want. In the next module, I share with you the best practices in using SmartArt for your business presentations. Finally, I've also added a couple of useful lessons to complete the course. This mini course has 2 more creative SmartArt ideas that teach you things like how to find the right images for your SmartArt graphics and how to go beyond the usual SmartArt look and feel. All these lessons will not only help you solve the frustrations associated with SmartArt, but also will help you take your SmartArt graphics to a whole new level. My promise is, by the time you finish this course, you will never look at SmartArt tool the same way again. You will rediscover SmartArt and will use it more frequently to create impactful visual slides for your business presentations. I'm sure no other book, course or workshop teaches you SmartArt at such levels of depth. I'll see you in the next video right below this page.